What's up YouTube, JT here with CBD. Thanks for stopping by. I wanted to share a couple things with you. So I was so excited to get these really cool carbon fiber props for the Mavic Pro, because I just recently bought the Pro Platinum, and as excited as I was, they didn't work out like I thought they would. So these are the carbon fiber props. These are the stock props. And what happens is when I'm using these, they're actually throwing current motor errors or motor current errors. And the reason for that is because the stock prop, the way it is designed to give. Meaning, if it feels like it's pushing too hard, it's going to give and allow some of that air to bypass. With these, there's absolutely no give in them whatsoever. So whatever air strap below here, it's trying to turn it. Trying to push off of it, which means that motor has to work really hard to try and push that as hard as I'm pushing up on the stick. The stock props, what they'll do is they'll give, allow the air to bypass, and the motor isn't working as hard. I do have to tell you that my Mavic is super tuned, so it's pushing a lot harder than a stock tune on it. These will work with a regular stock tune, but you're not going to get any more performance out of it. It's not going to be snappier. The response isn't going to be better. You're not going to go any faster. My suggestion is hold on to your stock props, spend your money on the stock props, and because these aren't going to do you any good and they're just going to cost you money. So as cool as they look, they do look pretty cool. This is the way to go. DJI knew what they were doing when they made this thing, and or maybe they knew that you was going to try to mod it, which is throwing those errors pretty easily. As excited as I was to get them, it was a waste of money. This is where it's at. If you do a super tune or you're just running a stock Mavic, these are going to be perfect for you, and they're not going to cost as much. So I just wanted to share that with you. As usual, I appreciate you guys stopping by CBD. Check out my videos. You keep coming, I'll keep putting them up. And until I see you next time.